I'm the shit. I bought a tennis bracelet, I got diamonds on my wrist. Don't need no lighting, I'm already shining in this bitch. If you hate your life, then change it, no more whining in this bitch. I came when I was needed, perfect timing in this bitch. And I'm just getting started, but I'm grinding in this shit. And I don't really care if I get signed up in this bitch. I'm the headliner, you can take the signs down in this bitch, yeah. Okay. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been like a little couple months since I haven't posted. I've been going through shit, y'all, like literally been going through shit. But I feel better now. So as y'all see, I got these knotless braids in my head, and in this video I showed y'all how to do the dramatic baby hairs, because y'all always asking me about the dramatic baby hairs and how I do it and what products I use and what utensils I use to swoop these bitches from left to right, period. So I show everything in the video, but let me just take this off my hair. I'm excited. Make sure y'all see everything. Yes, ma'am. So I showed the products and everything. This is, I think it's like a week for me having these braids. I oiled my scalp. I showed y'all the products I use. It smells so good. The edge control. But here's an up close on everything. Yeah, so since I was in middle school, y'all, I've been swooping my edges. It's just so dramatic. It's different, you know. Yeah, but these are so cute. This is my first time with knotless. I lied. This is my second time with knotless braids, but these the jumbo kind. And then on the ends, I have my little beads. Some of them that came out, girl. Though. It's so embarrassing when it just be dropping. I gotta go pick them up like Easter eggs. But child, these the ends of them. I'm gonna post a picture that y'all can see everything. But it looks so cool. But yes, get into it, bitch. I'm high as a kite. It's 3-something in the morning. As soon as y'all see these baby hairs. But okay, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and